This how to 1 minute will show you how to use a VPN on Discord. First of all, open your Chrome Web Store and type in VPN, and now you can download any VPN from here. Just add the VPN to your browser and make sure to pin the VPN from here, and now go to your Discord and click on the VPN. Make sure to connect. Once your VPN connected, reload your Discord, and that's how you'll be able to use VPN on Discord. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.